KHL26025 all-in-one laser cutting machine, built for H-beams and structural profiles. It combines laser cutting, precision mechanics, intelligent detection, and 3D 6-axis CNC control. The fully enclosed cover meets European CE standards. Graphite panels block sparks. Safety light curtains prevent accidental entry. HD monitoring, emergency stop, and dust extraction make production safer and cleaner. The visual PLC diagnostic system monitors communication in real time and locates faults within seconds. AC axis auto homing, unwireless remote control make operation easier and faster. A heavy-duty structure ensures stable cutting. With a 26-meter machine body, the cutting head travels from front to rear in under 50 seconds. Tilted profile cutting is supported. Smart edge detection corrects position automatically. Cutting, bows, and bevels are completed in one process. For complex corners, the system switches cutting parameters automatically for smoother cuts. Lightning piercing improves start speed and stability. Leapfrog cutting reduces idle travel. For round tubes, auto nesting and center binding support diameters from 150 to 630 millimeters. For small batches and mixed production, it also supports small plate cutting and flat beveling, maximizing workshop utilization. Efficiency is outstanding. A 600 by 200 mm H-beam is fully processed in 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Z-cuts and dangle cuts take about 1 minute. Convex cuts take 1 minute and 13 seconds. One machine covers multiple applications, with output reaching 6 pieces or more per hour. Positioning accuracy is controlled within 0.2 to 0.5 millimeters. Through-hole success rate reaches 100%. A 23mm hole fits an M22 bolt smoothly, matching H-beam and flange plate assembly needs. Compared with traditional drilling, sawing, and coping lines, the value is clear. For 12-meter H-beams with 28 holes, daily output reaches 50 pieces with only 2 operators. It reduces labor cost, and the larger the profile, the greater the advantage. Efficient, accurate, intelligent, energy saving. A better way to process structural steel.